Today's top news, 14th April. Very clear we are not going in for lockdowns in big way, says Nirmala Sitharaman. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman said even with the second wave, we are very clear that we are not going in for lockdowns in a big way. She added, we don't want to totally arrest the economy. The local level isolations of patients or households which have people in quarantines is the method through which the crisis will be handled. CBSE Class 12 board exams postponed, Class 10th exams cancelled. CBSE Class 12 board exams to be held from May 4 to June 14th have been postponed. CBSE will review the situation on June 1st and share the details. An official statement said further Class 10 board exams have been cancelled. Class 10th exams results will be prepared on the basis of objective criterion, the statement added. Board exams being cancelled is a great relief, Arvind Kejriwal. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said the cancellation of CBSE Class 10 board exams and postponement of Class 12 board exams due to COVID-19 will bring great relief to students and their parents. I am glad that the exams have been cancelled and postponed, Arvind Kejriwal tweeted. The decision was taken at a high-level meeting chaired by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has tested positive for COVID-19 today. I am in self-isolation and fully following the consultation of physicians, he tweeted. Over 1,000 COVID-19 cases reported in Haridwar in 2 days aimed Kumbh Mela. Haridwar district in Uttarakhand has reported more than 1,000 new COVID-19 cases in the last 2 days as lakhs of devotees gathered in the ongoing Kumbh Mela. The number of COVID-19 cases in Delhi has increased by 4 times in 2 weeks. The city had 10,498 active cases on April 1st and on April 14, the number stands for 43,510. On April 7, there were 19,455 active cases in Delhi. The national capital reported 13,468 new COVID-19 cases on Tuesday, taking the total tally of 7,50,156. India administers over 11 crore COVID-19 vaccine doses so far. The cumulative number of COVID-19 vaccine doses administered in India has surpassed 11 crore mark on the 4th day of the Tika Utsav, the Union Health Ministry said. Excellent fight back, won't see a game like this, Rohit Sharma after KKR win. MI captain Rohit Sharma credited his team for an excellent fight back against KKR on Tuesday, which saw his side register a 10-run win despite of KKR being in a winning position. It was an excellent fight back by each one of them. You don't see a game like this often. It was a complete team effort and the credit goes to all bowlers, says Rohit Sharma. Thank you, and that's all for today.